I'm going to teach you 5 business casual summer outfits that will cover an entire executive work trip. Now, we all know that most women will pack 12 and wear the same 2. My name is Cassandra and I have styled over 500 executive women, and I am going to show you the exact outfit formulas that I teach them, and they are going to take you from a Monday to a Friday and everything in between. Now, here's what I see all the time. The executive who travels on Monday through Thursday, packs 12 outfits, and wears the same 2 throughout the week. Boring. This is how most executive women pack. Now, this is what actually works. The same 4-day trip. One gets you rotating 2 outfits, apologizing for wrinkles and feeling overwhelmed. The other gets you 5 complete looks, from carry-on to boardroom and everything in between. Now, my client Lori, who is a keynote speaker and is always on a plane, needed pieces that were, in her words, carry-on friendly, so she could look polished and sharp. We rebuilt her closet around exactly that. Her review after, quote, "I feel like a boss." So you may be wondering, Cassandra, how do 5 pieces become 5 outfits? I want to show you the piece that does the most work. This one dress. Belt it, add a blazer, wear it on its own, business casual for the boardroom. Wear it with a sneaker for a working lunch, add a loafer and some jewelry for a client dinner, one piece, 3 completely different rooms. Now, that is the whole game. As a busy executive woman, every piece you pack in your suitcase has to earn at least 2 outfits, or it doesn't get in the suitcase. And here is the exact system I use to build that. Now, after styling hundreds of executives, the packing system I use is the same style system I use to build a closet, but now it applies to your suitcase. There are 3 rules. Rule number 1, the 45-35-20 color ratio. 45% of the colors in your suitcase are core colors, so black, gray, white, navy. These go with everything in your suitcase and will allow you to create outfits seamlessly. The 35% is going to be tonal colors, earth tone colors, prints and patterns of core colors. So they could be light to darker shades of core colors. They could be earth tones, olives, khakis. You take your pick, but that is what lives in that 35%. And last but not least, the 20% is going to be bright colors, bright prints, bright patterns that maybe have a shorter shelf life than the other 2 tiers. So your suitcase has to follow this exact ratio. And if you are only following one rule from this video, I want you to follow this one because it is that important. It's the math behind every piece working in every other outfit that you are going to wear. Now, rule number 2, every piece in your suitcase has to create at least 2 outfits minimum. If a top only works with one bottom, it stays home. And if a shoe only matches one look, it also stays home. This is a test that I run on every client closet, and it's a test that will take you from 12 pieces in your suitcase to only 5. Rule number 3, the last rule, is you're only going to pack and wear fabrics that will last a flight. So I'm talking about tropical wool, ponte, silk cotton, fine merino, no pure linen, no 100% silk. You want blends of synthetics and natural fibers, because if it looks pretty in your closet, doesn't mean necessarily you should wear it when you travel. You need to think about functionality as a successful executive woman. And this is the rule that is going to protect you from arriving and looking like a hot mess. 3 rules: color ratio, double duty pieces, wrinkle-proof fabrics. Run any closet through those filters and you will have a carry-on wardrobe. Now, I just taught you the rules that have worked on thousands of closets, but now I want to teach you the 5 outfits that the rules that I taught you turn into. But before I get there, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so your next work trip is going to be a light one. 5 pieces, 5 outfits, 1 carry-on. Here is what you pack. Essential number 1 is a tropical wool blazer in navy or charcoal. Now, this has to be lightweight enough for the dead of summer. It has to be tailored enough for the boardroom. And it also has to be wrinkle resistant by design. This is the one piece that will make all your outfits look so intentional. Essential number 2, a structured silk cotton shell in ivory or stone. Now, this is going to tuck into trousers, it's going to tuck into a skirt, it is going to layer well under a blazer. It will also survive a flight. It reads polished against every other piece in the bag. Essential number 3, a Ponte A-line dress in a core color. I want you to belt it, I want you to add the blazer or a layering piece for business casual. You can wear it with no layering piece. You can add jewelry to amp it up for maybe a client dinner. I want you to also pair it with a loafer or a heel for a client dinner. This is one piece, 3 completely different reads. Now, essential number 4 is a wide leg trouser in stone or earth tone. This will bridge your business casual to your smart casual. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It will wear well on a plane as well, and it will also look polished for an important meeting. Now, essential number 5 is 1 light colored loafer and 1 clean white sneaker. Now, the loafer is more formal. It is going to handle those events on your calendar that are more serious in nature, and the sneaker will handle everything else. So the to and from the airplane, the casual client lunch, every walk in between buildings. So that is 2 shoes that you need, and that is all you are going to pack. Now let me show you the 5 outfits that these pieces build. Each one is named for the moment it is for. Outfit number 1, the travel day. A silk cotton shell, a wide leg trouser, white sneaker. This lightweight blazer is perfect for cold airplanes, but light enough for warm airports. Outfit number 2, the boardroom. I want you to add the blazer, then I want you to swap the sneaker for a loafer. That's the only change. You just walked into a board meeting and you got dressed in 60 seconds. Outfit number 3, the client dinner. The Ponte sheath dress, belted, blazer layered open over it, the loafer, and I want you to wear it to dinner, and you can also wear it to next day's meeting. Don't forget to add jewelry, and the dress will do the work. Outfit number 4, the working lunch. This is the same dress with a belt, and instead of a loafer, you are going to wear a sneaker. It makes it more casual. 5 seconds of styling, completely different read. This is a day you're in between meetings and you need to move quickly. Outfit number 5, the travel home. Shell, trouser, loafer, polish enough for the airport in case you run into a client at the gate. Comfortable enough for an 8-hour travel day. Now here are 5 pieces, 5 outfits, every piece in at least 2 looks. That is the NLW style system working for you in a single carry-on. Most executive women pack 12 different outfits and only wear 2. My system is 5 pieces, 5 outfits, and 1 carry-on. If you are ready to stop overpacking and start arriving with a wardrobe that actually works for you as an executive woman, I want you to go ahead and head below to get my executive guide on how to pack like a CEO. And if you enjoyed this, you cannot miss the next video. Go watch it.